Welcome to Discount Used Tractor Parts, Africa's largest importers and distributors of new and used tractors, combine and farm equipment parts. Based in Delmas, Mpumalanga, our family-run business has been supplying farm machinery and parts all over Southern Africa for almost 4 decades. We source parts and used equipment from 15 countries around the world and represent factories from Argentina, Brazil, USA, and Turkey. Our parts are imported, warehoused and then distributed to original equipment manufacturers, other suppliers and direct from factory to farmers. Our sales network includes all major dealers in South Africa. With over 5,000 square meters of warehousing and 70,000 square meters of yard space, we're able to keep a massive range of quality new and used equipment from door handles to harvesting headers and engine parts. We couldn't possibly list them all here, since our warehouse stocks more than 8,000 types of parts and we've stripped over 3,000 tractors. We bring the best international brands to Southern Africa. As Capello agents, we're able to import cutting-edge Capello cereal harvesting equipment, including their corn and sunflower headers. We're South Africa's sole distributor of MaxiForce engine parts, which all come with a 1-year warranty. We're also the largest importers and distributors of John Deere and Case aftermarket parts, specializing in combine harvester parts. We import a large range of used grass cutting and hay equipment from Europe. As a service-driven business, we form close relationships with our customers. We offer quick delivery, excellent value for money, and a one-stop shop for all your parts and equipment needs. Couriers leave our warehouse every 2 hours, and we pride ourselves on our quick turnaround times. We help reduce any downtime by ensuring you have the parts you need when you need them. By cutting out the middleman, we're able to offer competitive pricing and aftermarket discounts. And because we stock a massive range of parts and new equipment, we're able to service almost any need. Do you need a partner in quality parts? Expect outstanding value and service from the team at Discount Used Tractor Parts. Find us on Facebook or Instagram, or learn more on our website.